Good morning, friends. Welcome back. I'm back in my usual morning walk in one of the quiet villages near our community. And just for you to get the look and feel of this village, let me just pan my camera. As you can see, I'm literally walking in the middle of the street. That's how quiet this village is. Actually, this is just one of the two villages where I do my 10,000 steps walk. And yesterday, I was able to clock in at 15,062 steps. The weather was good yesterday, although a bit hot, but I managed to do that much walking. So let's just hope that the weather stays this way, or hopefully even better, so we can cover more areas. And let's see how far my feet would bring me and how many number of steps will I be able to clock in today. Okay, see you and have a nice day.